Now in this lecture, we will learn how to seek interactive help from Python on any of the topic in Python. So let's understand. First of all, we'll open idle. This is the shell and this is the prompt. On the prompt, I will just write help and then parenthesis and then I'll press enter. You can see that the menu has been changed to help prompt. Over here, I can write or seek help on any of the topic. Suppose I want to seek help on import command. I will just write here import and press enter. You'll see it is written squeezed text 202 lines. That means there is a description of 202 lines about import. When I'll click on it, it will give you the complete description of the import statement. So you can print this text or you can read it from here to get the information how import statement works. Okay. It will give you a complete description of that particular statement. Similarly, if I want to seek help on list data type, over here I have written list. I'll press enter. It has shown squeeze text 141 lines. When I'll click on it, it will give you the complete description of the list object, which we'll study later on in this course also. So it will give you complete information about the list object, which is used in Python. It is one of the very important data types. It will provide you the complete details about it. Okay. And when I want to exit from the help and want to come back to the command prompt, I will just write exit or quit. Then it will be quit from the help menu and we'll come back to the prompt again. Okay, so this is how we can seek help from the command prompt of idle shell interactively. We can get the answer. And another method I have already told you that in the browser also, you can seek the information, complete help description on python.org, where there is a tab called documentation, where you can get information about any of the topic regarding Python. This is third tab. Over here, documentation is written and we can get or access Python docs over here. It will again give version wise Python description of any of the statement which is used in Python over here. Or I can also make a search over here like list go. It will also give you complete detail of that particular topic. Okay. So this is all about help, how to seek help in Python, either in interactive mode, which I have told you how to seek help from the prompt, and another way, how to seek help online from a web browser. Thank you.